Good morning, children. Have a nice day. How are you all? I hope you all are fine at home. Be safe and stay at home. Drink plenty of water. Eat fresh fruits and add lot of vegetables. Today we are going to learn the subject social studies. Social studies. We already learned one lesson in this subject. Now we are going to recall what we learned in the last session. Do you all remember the name of the first lesson? Yes, your answers are correct. The name of the first lesson is Food We Eat. Good. Food We Eat. The name of the first lesson is Food We Eat. What we learn in this? First, we learned the question, what is a food? What is a food? Can you guess the answer? Yes, your answers are right. Things that we eat are called food. Say it once again. Things that we eat are called food. Good. See the food items? It's so nice, no? Yes. Shall we pass on to the next question? When do we eat? When do we eat? I think you all guessed the answer from the picture itself, I think. You all guessed the answer? Yes? Shall we say the question once again? When do we eat food? What's the answer? We eat food when we are hungry. Repeat the answer. We eat food when we are hungry. See, the boy is hungry, no? Yes. Next, third question. What's the third question? Number 3. Why we need food? Repeat it. Why we need food? Why we need food? Answer. We need food. We need food to grow big. TO2GROW grow. BIG big. To grow big. To become a big boy. To grow become a big boy. You need food. Good. And next what do you need? And then to become strong. To become strong. TO2BECOME become STRONG strong. To become strong. And then TO2 STAY stay. HEALTHY healthy. To stay healthy. To become a healthy girl or boy, you need food. And then get energy to work and play. Get energy to work and play. G-E-T, get. E-N-E-R-G-Y, energy. T-O-to, W-O-R-K, work. A-N-D, and P-L-A-Y, play. Get energy to work and play. First, what we learn? To grow big, to become strong, to stay healthy. Get energy to work and play. Repeat it once again. Why we need food? We need food to grow big, to become strong, to stay healthy, get energy to work and play. Okay. We pass on to the next one. Fourth one. What do we eat? What do we eat? The answer, we eat fruits. See the fruits? Fruits pictures are here, no? Yes. Vegetables. Vegetables are here, no? Yes. Rice. Rice is here in the plate. Eggs. You all like it, I think. And meat. And meat. So, repeat the answer. We eat fruits, vegetables, rice, eggs, and meat. Good. At last, I told you to remember some things that you have to follow in your daily life. Do you all remember that? If you forget, don't worry. I will tell it once again for you all. You have to repeat after me. You have to repeat after me. Shall we learn it? Yes. Wash your hands before and after eating. What you have to do? You have to wash your hands before and after eating. See, the girl is washing her hand, no? Yes. Then eat clean and fresh food. See, the fresh food items are arranged on the table. Yes. We should not waste food. See, one girl is wasting the food, no? Yes. You should not waste the food. And then rinse your mouth after eating. Rinse your mouth after eating. Okay, good. We all learned lesson 1 thoroughly. Now, let us start our next lesson. Lesson 2. Lesson 2. Now, try to answer my question. How can we protect ourselves from the climatic conditions? I'll say you the question once again. How can we protect ourselves from the climatic condition? I give you some more clues. When you are at home, you wear some casual dresses. When you are coming to school, you all wear same color dress, that is uniform. When you are going to attend a function, you all wear grand party dresses. Okay. After hearing these clues, do you have any idea about our next lesson? Yes, your guess is right. The answer is clothes. We are going to learn about clothes. The name of the lesson 2 is the clothes we wear. The clothes we wear. Good. Before moving on to the lesson, we can do one activity regarding the lesson. Now, we are going to tick the pictures of the things we wear. What are the things, what are the dresses we can wear? We are going to give a tick for that. Okay. Look at the first picture. What's the first picture? It's a frock. The small girls wearing this type of dresses, no? Yes. So we can give a tick. Yes, it's a cloth. So we can give a tick. Next one, what picture? Sharpener. We use it to sharpen the pencil. We can't wear this. So we shouldn't touch the picture. Third one, what's that? Sweater. When we feel cold, we wear this type of dresses. So we can give a tick for this. Next, it's a kurta. Kurta. Boys wear this type of dresses. So it's a cloth. We can give a tick. Next picture, bag. Bag shall we wear? We can't wear the bag, but we can keep our dresses inside the bag. So we shouldn't touch the picture. Next one, socks. Socks. We use this to wear when we are wearing the shoe, we use this socks, no? Yes, so we can give a tick for it. Socks. And the next one, yes, you all are telling correctly. I hear your answers. It's a guitar. Guitar, shall we wear a guitar? No, it's a musical instrument. We can play on it, but we can't wear it. Okay? So, we shouldn't touch the picture. Next, you all like this dress. Boys and girls, both of you like this dress. What's it? Jeans pant. So we can give a tick for this. It's a cloth. We can give a tick. Next one, pencil. We use it for writing. So we shouldn't touch it. Next one, t-shirt. We wear this, no? Yes, we can give a tick. Yes, last one. You all are shouting, I know that. It's a helicopter. Shall we wear a helicopter? No, we can play with it. It's a plaything. So, we shouldn't touch this. Okay. Now, we finish off the activity. I hope you all enjoyed the activity. Okay. Now, we are going to learn about clothes. Why do we wear clothes? Daily we are wearing clothes. Why do we wear clothes? Why do we wear? See, one boy is wearing his shirt now. Yes, here also one girl is wearing her shirt. Why they wear clothes? We wear clothes. We wear clothes to cover our body. Shall we say it once again? W-E-V, W-E-A-R, wear, C-L-O-T-H-E-S, clothes, T-O-2, C-O-V-E-R, cover, O-U-R, our, B-O-D-Y, body. We wear clothes to cover our body. To cover our body. Good. Very good. Next, how the clothes keep us safe. How the clothes keep us safe. We are going to learn now. How the clothes keep us safe. See, the one boy is standing under the hot sun. First, it keeps us safe from the hot sun. The hot sun. T-H-E, the H-O-T, hot, S-U-N, sun. The hot sun. Next, T-H-E, the C-O-L-D, cold, W-I-N-D, wind. The cold wind. from the hot sun and the cold wind. Not only from this, the next week it protects us from the rain. T-H-E, the, R-A-I-N, rain. And then the fourth one, insect bites. I-N-S-E-C-T, insect, B-I-T-E-S, bites, insect bites. And next, D-I-R-T, dirt, A-N-D, ant, D-U-S-T, dust, dirt and dust. First what we learn from the hot sun, the cold wind, the rain, insect bites, dirt and dust. Repeat it once again. From the hot sun, from the cold wind, from rain, from insect bites, and from dirt and dust. Good. We have many variety of dresses. We cannot wear all the dresses on all the days. For example, we cannot wear sweater on all the days. According to the seasons only, we can wear dresses. Now we are going to learn for what season, we are going to wear what type of cloth. We are going to learn that. Okay. W-E-V-W-E-A-R, wear, C-O-T-T-O-N, cotton, C-L-O-T-H-E-S, clothes, I-N-N-S-U-M-M-E-R, summer. We wear cotton clothes in summer. Next, C-O-T-T-O-N, cotton, C-L-O-T-H-E-S, clothes, K-E-E-P, keep, U-S-S, C-O-O-L, cool, cotton clothes keep us cool. Say it once again. We wear cotton clothes in summer. Cotton clothes keep us cool. Let us see some cotton dresses. We are wearing this light dresses because it only absorbs our sweat during the summer season. Next we are going to learn about winter. Read it along with me. W-E-V-W-E-A-R, wear, W-O-L-L-E-N, woolen, C-L-O-T-H-E-S, clothes, I-N, in, W-I-N-T-E-R, winter. We wear woolen clothes in winter. Next, W-O-L-L-E-N, woolen, C-L-O-T-H-E-S, clothes, K-E-E-P, keep, U-S-S, W-A-R-M, warm. Woolen clothes keep us warm. I'll show you. We can see some pictures for woolen clothes. These are the woolen clothes which we wear. Okay, children, I hope you all enjoyed this part of the lesson. we will learn the remaining part and some exercises regarding this lesson in the next session. Okay. Now we are going to learn new words. Now we are going to learn new words. N-E-W, new. W-O-R-D-S, words, new words. Number 1, repeat after me. You have to repeat the spellings, okay? C-L-O-T-H-E-S, clothes. C-L-O-T-H-E-S, clothes. Number 2, W-E-A-R, wear. W-E-A-R, wear. Number 3, S-A-F-E, safe. Number 3, S-A-F-E, safe. Number 4, S-U-M-M-E-R, summer. Number 4, S-U-M-M-E-R, summer. Number 5, W-I-N-T-E-R, winter. Number 5, W-I-N-T-E-R, winter. Good. Number 6, C-O-T-T-O-N, cotton. Repeated. Number 6, C-O-T-T-O-N, cotton. Number 7, P-L-A-N-T-S, plants. Repeated. Number 7, P-L-A-N-T-S, plants. Number 8, R-A-I-N, rain. Number 8, R-A-I-N, rain. Number 9, A-N-I-M-A-L-S, animals. Number 9, A-N-I-M-A-L-S, animals. Number 10, U-N-I-F-O-R-M, uniform. Number 10, U-N-I-F-O-R-M, uniform. Okay, children. Today's homework. Learn and write the new words 2 times. Learn and write the new words 2 times. How many times you have to write? 2 times you have to write. Okay? You have to learn the spellings at home. Okay? Learn it nicely, children. Write neatly. Touch the 4 lines and write. Use cursive letters. Don't use split letters, children. Okay? I think you all are so happy to hear this lesson. We will meet in the next class. Thank you, children. Thank you so much.